How's it going, mate? It's Aaron, the electrician here, and today we're going to talk about the different types of heated towel rails and what's best for your bathroom. So you've got 12 volt or 240 volt and hardwired or DIY plug-in. 12 volt can go in zones 1 and 2, and anywhere outside of those wet area zones you can put your 240 volt, which has a much bigger range to choose from. Then you've got hardwired or your DIY plug-in type. The hardwired ones you need an electrician to install, and so they'll cost a little bit more to install, but they look so much better. And with the plug-in ones, you can install them on the wall yourself, or they also come in the floor-mounted option, so you don't have to drill any holes in your walls. They're really easy for you to do yourself, and you don't need an electrician, so you can save a lot of money. But the downside to them is they don't look as good, they don't look like it's a permanent fixture in your bathroom. So take a look at the wet zones and have a look at your bathroom and see where can you install a heated towel rail. Ideally, you'll do it outside of those wet areas, so at least 60 centimeters away from your bath and your shower areas. And then you can get those 240 volt ones, which has got a much bigger range. But if you're stuck inside those zones as the only spot, you can do the 12 volt type, which is low voltage, so there's no danger with water mixing with electricity, because the 240 volt connection is concealed in the roof space or under the floor or in the wall. Thanks for watching the video, and if you want any more hints and tips on heated towel rails, just click on the link below. Cheers guys, have a good day.